So it's a radical change in the way we interact with the customer, since we're moving from, let's say, an in-house CRM used within the PSA division, which the salespeople and sales managers had gotten used to, for better or worse. Of course, as always, they tended to idealize the past. When we introduced Salesforce, I heard a lot of praise for the previous tool, but when I spoke with project managers who had been involved in deploying that tool 15 years ago, the atmosphere back then was quite different. So we set about implementing Lemon with the goal of reaching 10 countries. So we don't work with all 20 languages. There's another project, I think is the PS project you were referring to, where all 20 languages are used. We work with 10 languages. No, sorry. 8 languages in 10 countries across Europe. So our challenge is different from Yannick's. We have to have country correspondence. That is to say, wind the central team design and provide guides in English. We offer them to the countries, which then translate and adapt them according to their needs. Sometimes they don't do it because they don't have the resources available. So right now we have a big, actually it's not just right now, it's been going on for a while. There's a lot of pressure on the resources at Stellantis, that's a fact. So we have a lot of difficulty finding stable contacts, people who understand, who are convinced, as you said, Yannick, of the value and who have the time to dedicate to it. People who can work at their level with their users, relay our guides, the central guides, let's say, and also what is used the most, which is currently about 80% of usage within the CRM scope, are actually the push notifications about business messages. For example, if there's a delivery issue with C5 aircraft vehicles in Spain, a pop-up will immediately appear on the screens of the relevant salespeople when the problem occurs. So this happens almost every day. So it's, by the way, something I've always wondered about Salesforce is why Salesforce doesn't offer this feature directly in their product. It's starting to exist, but I find it complicated to use. And moreover, a major drawback is that it only works on Salesforce. So since Stellantis' CRM is integrated with other web tools, the advantage we have with Lemon is that we can track the user's progress within this source through a guide, but also when they access a connected financial application, we can track them in that application as well. So compared to Yannick, we've done a lot less, we're much less diverse in the types of objects we've created. We have a typology of, let's put it simply, we have discovery guides for the CRM, which new hires use when they join. So we can see this in the stats. Depending on the arrival of new salespeople in certain countries, we see the usage of the guides go up. And then, as you said, once you know how to do it, you're not going to go through the guide again, discover the opportunity. We've done it, that's it. On the other hand, push notifications about new features and certain strategic tool types in specific areas related to new features or new fields, those work well. Now, our daily challenge is translation, adapting things for each country. So we don't have a magic solution for that. We use the translation tools provided in Lemon, which are helpful to us.